Hello everybody, this is Bernard here. Today we are going to have a session on a mind mapping tool which is called a Freemind. And this is the tool which helps you to create a brainstorming session or conceptualize your ideas into a structured format and link those ideas and integrate those ideas into one thought process. Ideally speaking, the advantage of this mind mapping tool is to brainstorm your ideas and thought process in which is in a structured format where you can able to expand it, you can able to connect each of the process. So and the application side, if you see today, we can use it for different applications like how you are measuring your task, how you are able to track your task, and how you are completing your task in each of our day-to-day activities. And it's a very interesting tool, and it helps you to organize yourselves for your day-to-day activities. So here we go with a small example and on how to use this free mind mapping tool. And to start with this, it's a open source which you can download and you can use it for your day-to-day activities. So how you do this? So it's, as you see in your screen, it's a new mind mapping tool which is centrally located, and this is the center of topic of discussions what you can take it up. So once from this, you can have a number of branches going on and create it. So let me create an example how to start a new one. File, new. So once you get this new mind mapping, you can enter this. Say for example, I want to create a process. Right, process. So once you create this process, from here you want to have a number of steps, for example, or stages, whatever you want it. So what I can going to do here is you're going to learn that is I'm going to insert a number of nodes here. So how I'm going to do that? Insert a node. So right click here and click inside a child node, just insert it. So what I'm going to do it is I'm going to create stage 1, for example. So this is your stage 1. So this is your child node. So you can expand it. So in this I want to add one more, stage 2, for example. You can do either by two things: right click, insert a new child, or you can just use your insert tab key. So I'm just going to use insert key this time. So it comes like, and you can type it here, stage 2. Now if you see this, you have stage 1 and stage 2 in this process, centrally process. So I want to expand this. I want to add one more stage in this. So what I am doing is I'm going to activate this stage 1, which is grade 1. So I'm going to activate that. I'm going to insert one more. So you can use a key called insert, and I can do it at a step 1, for example. And I can write step 2, insert it. I can use it as step 2, step 2. So once you do this, you can have here also, for example, I'll just show you, insert step 3 and step 4, for example. Sorry, stage 2, I can insert it here also. Insert it, step 4. Now if you see here, this is how you use this command, use this tool in a basic level. So what we learn now is just to make it, you know how to create a process, you know how to add the branches. Now if you see this, I want to make it very structured format. Look, you can give some color codes, like for example, I'm going to here file format. I'm going to have here automatic layout, where you can see this automatic layout. So I'm going to click here this process, go here, I'm going to make it automatic layout. So you can see here it's automatic layout. Now I want to have a square format here. So what I'm going to do it is I'm going to have a square format. So in this case, I just select this active one, go to format, and I'm going to make it bubble. So once you make it bubble, you can see that. And once this is bubble, you can move this step 1 anywhere inside the screen, and you can have n number of inserts. So for example, 1, insert 2, whatever you want, you can do that. So you can even minimize this at branches level also. And this is the basic inputs or basic level of how to use this mind mapping tool. So here we'll have one of the case example where you can use it for your day-to-day activities. Let me show this process, sales process. Here is one of the process where we have a sales process. For any account of a sales, we have four major process, like a economic buyer, technical buyer, user buyer, coach. And this probably you people are aware of this. What is this sales process of account mapping? In this account A, I have not mapped this economic buyer. That is the reason you can see an into mark, and you can see a red signal that indicates that. As I explained in the initial stage, that this is a tool which helps you to brainstorm, connect, and link your thought process. Here, this is what it is. It can tell now. You are putting your words into a pictorial format, which is called a visualization, visual management. So here you can see that this is red, two reds. That means this account is not in the mature format. So I'll teach you how to do this in account B, for example. You have identified here. Go here, right click. You can have icons. You can see you're not. You have identified. Okay, fine. You can do this icons. So here also you can get into icons. Click here, and you can have, for an example, I've identified the screen. Probably in this case, I have not identified the coach. So what you can do, insert icon and go to not okay. An example. So you can even measure it, insert. So you can have an icon. So red traffic. So this is how this tool. So you can have for all your accounts, A to B to C and D, where you can able to know, okay, once this 1 into marks comes, that means 1 into flag is there, that means this account is not yet matured. So you can have, it is very important, not okay, this account is still not mapped because you have not mapped the account. So you can have a decision now. I mean, it makes you to help out. You have 10 accounts like this for this quarter or this for this year, whatever it is. You can map it where you stand, and it helps you to strategize your planning and account mapping. So this is how this free mind mapping tool helps you to find out and have an idea and have a plan of execution and track your plannings. So this is how you learned about the mind mapping tool. In this mind mapping tool, today what you learned is how to create a mind mapping tool, how to create a centrally located topic, how to create a branch, and how to create your a number of icons representing your tags. So thanks for watching this mind mapping session, lesson 1, where I'll be covering more on lesson 2 on the next level of knowledge on this mind mapping. Thanks for watching.